Hello friends, my name is Vimal Menon and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my 120-day video where I'll be showing you the progress of my YouTube channel after 120 days. So I've been making these kind of videos where I've been showing the progress after every 30 days. So I have made for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and this is going to be my 120 days YouTube channel progress video. So I have made around 18 videos, and past few videos have been doing okay, I feel, in terms of views. I've been getting around 20 to 30 views in the past two videos, which I feel is pretty decent as compared to what I've been getting before. I've been only getting 2 to 3 views before, but I think this pretty much is better than what I've been getting before. So I'm pretty happy about that. But about the likes and comment, I feel that I've been not getting much likes, but I also feel that my videos are not very crisp, or how would I put it? It's not like edited very crisp in a way, wherein there are a lot of blank space and it kind of bit drag at times. So I kind of feel that there is more possibility of improvement. But I kind of feel that my audio quality has improved a bit, and also the editing might have improved a bit, but not by much. I would rather say that there is still a lot of room for improvement for my video editing skill and how I put my ideas through. So I still need to work on that. So moving on, so I have got one more subscriber. In 90-day video, we have seen that I was in 2 subscribers. So I currently have 3 subscribers. So I have got one more subscriber. That is great. But I know the progress is not much. It's just 1 subscriber in 1 month, which would be very less if I compare it with other channel. But with the way my videos are, or the kind of videos that I make, I kind of feel that this kind of video format is very difficult to gain attention, or mean to say people feel to be engaged with, because it's kind of they have to put their time and effort to understand this new concept, or they have to be sitting in front of the computer to understand this new concept. But rather, if I feel that if this was more of a drama kind of thing, people would have enjoyed it more. That's my opinion. I don't know. Yeah, even I would find, personally speaking, for me, even if it was more relaxed, or if it was not tutorial thing, people would even watch it while they were doing their routine stuff, right? But for this kind of videos, they actually have to pay attention. They have to be with their clear mind so that they understand what I'm trying to say. So I kind of feel this kind of videos don't do well in that way. It just need more effort to understand, or it's something new that they have to understand or they have to learn. So they have to put efforts to kind of understand this stuff, right? So just to confirm, today is 6th of May, and I'm making this video after around 120 days of starting this YouTube channel, and till now the progress is not much, but I think it's more or less on me to improve the quality of the video, or to make some more content which can make these videos more interesting. So I'm working on that actually. So other thing that I need to concentrate on is making shorts. So frankly speaking, the audio part of shorts are pretty simple, but the video part is where I feel that it kind of need more work. So that's why I kind of have something ready on shorts on the audio part, but not on the video part. So I really need to work on that. And about my website and automation stuff, I've been kind of busy last in this month. So frankly speaking, I've been spending some time on playing games. So yeah, I don't get any time for working on my automation or website. So I'll be taking out some time next month maybe. This month also I'm a bit busy, and also and I'll be working on other stuff due to which I'll not be able to get time on my automation. But my whole idea is to have this sort of stuff which kind of improve on itself. It will be able to build up this website automatically or improve on this website automatically, and then it will be able to do a lot of stuff which I personally don't want to do. I will use AI automation for doing that stuff, right? Maybe marketing, or I'll have another channel wherein it will be making videos as well, so, and which would target particular customer. So my focus is to get more B2B customers or business customer, where I'll be targeting them, and I'll be helping them to understand how AI automation is going to change their way or change how the business is done, and I'll help them to leverage AI for better productivity. So that's more or less about my channel, my company CompleteAutomate, or my agency CompleteAutomate. And what I'm going to do next would be to start another hands-on tutorial with Manus AI. So I have used this Manus AI a bit, and I feel that this is pretty good AI agent or agentic AI that we can use or we can learn. And I have seen its result, and it's pretty good. I've seen that they do the task very well. So I still have to explore a bit more to understand what is that I can show in the tutorial, but I feel that this is pretty good. Manus AI is pretty good. So I'll be making a YouTube tutorial on this, and after that I'll start another YouTube tutorial on N8N. I have used N8N a bit, and this is pretty nice. I think even if you're not business, I mean to say, for both of these you don't have to be business, but even if you have some of your tasks that you want to delegate, or if you want to offload to AI, right? I feel that these can do a pretty remarkable work of doing that, and I think we have reached at the point where we are trying to delegate most of the tasks to AI automation or AI, so that they can do those tasks for us. So that's about my next what I'm going to do next after this tutorial series that I'm going to complete, where I'll be explaining about AI terms. So yeah, so that's little bit about my channel, my status, what's next. I hope you like this video, and if you do have any question or concern, please do let me know. And I'm trying to work on getting an official email address. So going on, we will have some email address where you can send me email, and I'll be also be sending out email as well for prospective client. So that's more or less about my progress in last 120 days of starting this YouTube channel and starting this automation agency from the scratch. So I hope you like this video, and if you do have any questions, please do let me know, and have a great day.